Alright, I thought this was kind of interesting. Apparently this is a LeeBoy 8515B paving machine. Just an interesting machine. Something you don't just see typically sitting around in a place where you can actually access it. But yeah, I guess that's the driver's seat. This looks like a control for probably this piece right here so that they can spread the tar out or the pavement. Couple control levers up there. Not even sure what most of this stuff does. Just thought it'd be interesting to see the machine up close. Even got cup holders on this thing. From Ring Power. But yeah, if you've ever wanted to see what it looks like inside of the, I guess the trough, it's like a couple conveyor belts. Then back there, like an auger, moves all the tar down, the pavement down. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd share that with you guys.